Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm doing a little handbag unboxing. And as you can probably tell from the title of the video, this is not just any handbag unboxing. This is a vintage, pre-loved Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing. So I got this bag for an absolute steal of a price. I'm almost embarrassed to tell you how little it cost. Now, first of all, the reason it cost so little is because I bought it on Tilt. However, the seller is now on Whatnot. He's no longer on Tilt, he's on Whatnot. So if you want to shop from him, and I highly recommend you do, you have to follow my link in the description, which will take you to Whatnot, not Tilt. However, this bag was bought on Tilt, but he's not there anymore. So I'm gonna direct you to Whatnot instead. And if you've never heard of Whatnot, it is a live shopping app where basically it's an auction, but it's live. So think eBay back in the day. Instead of it being like a week that you have to wait like 2 minutes. It's way better. It's so good, it's so fun, and there are amazing sellers on there selling things at amazing prices, including my bag. So anyway, this light is really dodgy, so I'm going to turn the camera around and unbox the bag in literally 2 seconds. Oh, and then the other reason the bag was quite cheap is because the lining has been cut out, which means that like the inside is not as it should be. So most people wouldn't want this bag because it has massively decreased its resale value. However, from the outside, it's beautiful. The patina is gorgeous. I'm not interested in reselling it. I want it for me. I want it to wear. I want it to enjoy. And I'm very happy to get it for a fraction of the price because it's missing the lining. So let me show you the bag and then I'll flip around the camera and we'll show it on. So here it is. She is a little old. She's a little bit battered, but I like my designer handbags that way. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's beautiful. I need to put some stuff in. I need to turn the camera around. I basically just put the postage envelope inside the bag, and that is my padding, but I just wanted to give it a bit better shape. Anyway, here is the bag. It's so flippin' cute. Look at her. She's so good. She's so pretty. So she is the Louis Vuitton bucket bag, and this comes in 2 sizes. I, of course, got the smaller size. Now, she has got a little bit of wear and tear. You can see that the strap here has actually come loose. So here, this is no longer attached. However, the strap is still holding onto the bag very nicely. It's just not looking quite as neat from this side, but from this side, she's perfect. There is also a little bit of wear and tear to the top line of leather, and the top of the handles are fairly well cracked. So I wouldn't personally overstuff this bag. This is the kind of bag that I would probably put a minimal amount in. But to be fair, it's a small bag. I can't really overstuff it with loads of stuff. But I did stuff there a lot. But, yeah, no, I'm not going to put like a laptop in here because it's not big enough. But I will be putting purse, phone, keys, lipstick, not much more. I love the patina at the bottom. The canvas monogram is in exceptional condition. And I generally just think that the monogram and the leather is just looking so beautifully aged and in the nicest possible way, a bit battered. You know, it's giving Olsen twins. Is that just me? Only, of course, with them. It's the Birkin. With this, it's the Louis Vuitton. So this is what the bag looks like with my outfit. This is just literally what I'm wearing today, and I think it matches in really nicely. That's the good thing about Louis Vuitton bags. They kind of go with everything. But yes, you can kind of carry it like this or in the crook of your arm. I'll probably go more top handle, and you could make the straps a little bit longer and probably put it underneath your arm. I won't do that. I'll leave it as it is. I like it like this. I think it looks cute. So yeah, this is the bag. It is a little bit worse for wear. I'm not gonna lie to you. This bag probably will get used for a good year or 2. I might have to replace the straps eventually. However, it's not going to last forever. I feel like right now it's a handbag. Maybe it'll have a little repair at some point, maybe in a year or 2. At some point after that, maybe the straps will get replaced. And then eventually it may just become, I don't know, more of a container on the shelf. I don't know, maybe it will hold a vase inside and then be used as, I don't know, like a vase holder, plant potty type thing, which I know seems absolutely ridiculous, but I'm just very aware like this bag is lovely, but it is well worn, it is vintage, It is kind of like lovely, but it's probably got a few years life left in it, not a few decades life left in it. However, when I tell you the price, I think you'll be okay for it. This bag cost me, seriously, I think it was £41. And I think it is absolutely adorable. It's perfect. I love a Louis Vuitton bag, but I do find like when you buy them new, I don't love the colour of the leather. I really need that patina, and this has just got the most beautiful patina, but it is fragile. It is old. It probably needs a little bit of restoring at some point, or kind of upcycling or something. But for now, she's gorgeous. I love her. And who knows, maybe in like 10 years time, she'll be more of a objet d'art on the shelf. Maybe I'll take the straps off and use her as like a plant pot holder. But for now, she's a cute little bag that cost me just £40. And I think she's amazing. So that is my handbag reveal. And as I said, I got her in Tilt, but that seller is now on Whatnot. So if you want to go shop at them, click the link below. And if you sign up using my link, you will get £10 free shopping credit when you sign up, which I think is well worth having, which would make this bag like £30 if you had bought this bag, which is bonkers. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.